Right, it's Christmas again, so we're going to do Stollen cookies. So what we're going to need for this. Right, so first of all, we're going to start off doing a buttercream. So we're going to use the unsalted butter, and we're going to mix that up with our 2 sugars. We need to give this a good mix until we get a buttercream. So now, we've got the start of our cookie dough. We can now add 1 egg. I'm going to give that a mix before we use the 2nd egg yolk. So give that a stir. And now we'll throw in just 1 egg yolk. So we're going to add that. Give that a stir. So at the moment we're just at the basic kind of cookie mixture. Right, there we go. So we're at that point now, nicely mixed. Now we're going to add the Christmas elements. So we're going to add 2 teaspoons of mincemeat. Now we're going to add some Stollen. Give that a stir. Okay, what we're going to add now is just a little teaspoon of vanilla paste, and then we're going to have a zest of orange, quarter a teaspoon of baking powder, the same amount of salt. Let's give that a mix. So now we're going to do is just sieve in the plain flour. So let's drop that in. So sieve that in, getting rid of all the lumps. And then we just want to stir this in. So we've come to that point now, we're all finished. We can cling film this up, put it in the freezer, keep for any period over Christmas, but we're going to set some up now and get them in the oven. Okay, so now we've got the baking tray, baking sheet, just to make it a lot easier taking the cookies off after. So what we're going to do is we're going to get golf size. It really doesn't matter. There's nothing special, just drop it like that. Drop done. Okay, the same again. You want to keep a bit of distance between each of them because they will merge into each other if you're not careful. There we go, and just continue that until we got 6 of these. This recipe also can be used any time of the year. Just use chocolate chips instead of the Stollen. You just got normal chocolate cookies. So now we've got 6 big cookies. We can stop there and freeze the rest, but we might as well carry on, I'm guessing. Right, so we're going to put these in the oven at 170 fan for about 15 minutes. So here we go, guys. Been in 15 minutes. We're just going to put them onto the wire rack just to cool down for 5 minutes before eating. There we have our Stollen cookies.